Hello, kids. I am Glory, and today I am back with another quiz. The topic for today is simple machines. Let's zoom in to level 1. Which simple machine is used in a flagpole to pull the flag up? The correct answer is pulley. A seesaw is an example of. The correct answer is lever. A ramp helps us to move heavy objects easily. Ramp is. The correct answer is an inclined plane. A knife is an example of. The correct answer is wedge. A doorknob is an example of. The correct answer is wheel and axle. Which type of lever has fulcrum in the middle? The correct answer is class 1 lever. In which lever is the load in the middle? The correct answer is second class lever. A seesaw is an example of which class of lever? The correct answer is first class lever. Which of these is a second class lever? The correct answer is wheelbarrow. In a third class lever, the effort is in the middle. Choose an example. The correct answer is human arm. Why is it easier to push a heavy box up a ramp than lift it straight up? The correct answer is ramp reduces the force needed. In a pulley system, using more pulleys mainly helps us to. The correct answer is reduce the force needed. Which statement is true about simple machines? The correct answer is they make work easier by changing force or direction. A screw is actually a type of. The correct answer is inclined plane wrapped around a rod. Which simple machine is used in a needle to stitch clothes? The correct answer is Wedge. Quiz completed. I hope you collected lots of candies. That was all for today. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.